Hi, in my earlier video, you saw how to compare two numbers. In this video, I will teach you how to identify a number before and after any given number. Let us say there is a number x. So, if you move in the left direction from x, then you will see the number before x. And if you move in the right direction from x, then you will get the number after x. Okay, so if you want to know which number comes before x, then you will subtract 1 from x, and if you want to know which number comes after x, then you will add 1 to x. Let us replace x with a number. Let us say we have number 57. Okay, we will find numbers before and after 57. You can see here, to find a number before any given number, we subtract 1 from it. So, in order to find the number before 57, I will subtract 1 from it. You know subtraction very well. I will write 57 here and 1 below 7 and a minus sign before 1. So 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay, I write 6 at the ones place and 5 will come at the tens place. So we have 56. Let us see which number comes after 57. We need to add 1 to find the next number. I will write 57 here, and as we need to add 1 to it, so I will write 1 below 7 and a plus sign before 1. Here 7 plus 1 is 8. So at the ones place we have 8 and at the tens place we have 5. This number is 58. So the number before 57 is 56 and the number after 57 is 58. So these are three numbers. Hope you understood this. Shall we take one more example? Okay. This time let us take number 81. Okay. You already know that to get the number before any number, you need to move in the left direction, and to get the number after any number, then you need to move in the right direction. This also means that you need to subtract 1 from the original number to get the before number, and you need to add 1 to get the after number. Okay, first I will find out before number. I will write 81 here, and as we need to subtract 1, so I will write 1 at the ones place here. Here I will place a minus sign. So in this case, at the ones place 1 minus 1 is 0, and at the tens place we will have 8. This number is 80. Now let us see the number after 81. I will write 81 here, and as we need to add 1, so I will write 1 at the ones place and a plus sign here. 1 plus 1 is 2 at the ones place, and at the tens place we have 8. So this number is 82. So the number before 81 is 80 and the number after 81 is 82. Okay, this way can you find out the number before 80? Let us see. You have already seen numbers from 1 till 100. I will write few numbers on the number line which will show number 80. Here 3 dots means that we have numbers before 77 as well. but I did not write them because I did not have much space here. Same way, here 3 dots on the right hand side means that we have numbers after 82 as well, but due to limited space, I did not write more numbers. Okay, so we need to find out the number before and after 80. So I will locate number 80 on the number line first. Here we have number 80. As we move left on the number line, we see decreasing or smaller numbers. So the number before 80 will be 79. I will write it here. Also remember that when you write numbers vertically, then smaller numbers will come at the top, and as we move downward, we will see bigger numbers. Okay, in order to find the number after 80, you need to move right on the number line. So after 80, we have 81. I will write 81 below 80 here. You already know that as we move downward, numbers increase. So 80 came before 81. Let us take one more example. In this case, you need to find out the numbers before and after 39. Okay, I will bring a number line which will show number 39. Here we have number 39. You can easily find out that the number before 39 is 38. Remember, we need to move left to get the before or smaller number. I will write 38 before 39 here, and the number after 39 is 40. I will write 40 after 39 here. Remember that we need to move right to get the bigger number. Okay, I hope you can easily find before and after numbers. Please practice more examples to learn this concept better. I will bring more examples in my next video. Thanks for watching.